Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram app not opening. The first thing you will need to do is go into Play Store, and from here you want to search for Instagram, as you want to check if your Instagram app needs updating. And if it does need updating, I would recommend that you update it. As you can see right here, mine doesn't need updating. After updating the app, you will simply close out of Play Store and go into Settings. Once in Settings, you are going to scroll down and select Apps. After selecting Apps, you are going to tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner, and you are going to search for Instagram. Then you are going to select Instagram. Next, you are going to scroll down and tap on Storage. And from here, you want to tap on Clear Catchy in the bottom left hand corner. Then tap on OK. And after you have cleared the Catchy, you are going to close out of Settings, and now you will be able to open your Instagram app. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.